How are you, my dear? Today we are going to read a new lesson. This is a story. So, the name of our lesson is Khargosh or Kachua. You know, you study in small classes also. Khargosh or Kachua, it means rabbit and tortoise. Okay, turtle. Okay. Now, before reading this lesson, I want to tell you one thing, that we should never boast in life or no make fun of anyone. We should worry only as God made us. So let's read this lesson next. पाठ 15 खरगोश और कछुआ। कछुआ हमेशा धीरे धीरे चलता है। What is the meaning of कछुआ हमेशा धीरे धीरे चलता है? The tortoise always move slowly. The turtle always move slowly. कछुए की चाल देखकर खरगोश खूब हंसता है। हंसता है means you know ना, laughing. The rabbit laughed a lot after seeing movement of the turtle. एक दिन कछुए ने खरगोश से दौड़ की शर्त लगाई। One day, turtle bet the race with the rabbit. दौड़ शुरू हुई। What is the meaning? दौड़ शुरू हुई। Race started. खरगोश, you know, खरगोश running very fast. खरगोश खूब तेजी से दौड़ने लगा। It means the rabbit started running very fast. Okay, everyone know. वह जल्दी ही कछुए से काफी आगे निकल गया। He soon overtook the turtle. Now, second paragraph. अपनी जीत निश्चित मानकर खरगोश सोचने लगा। क्या सोचने लगा? Assume his victory certain, rabbit started thinking. अभी कछुआ बहुत पीछे है। Right now the turtle is far behind. अब you know turtle walk very slowly है ना? वह धीरे धीरे चलता है। He walks slowly. What is the need to win the bet so soon? Who thinking? Rabbit. पेड़ के नीचे बैठकर थोड़ा आराम कर लूं। It means let me sit under the tree and take some rest. Who thinking? Rabbit. Because he have overconfidence है ना, you know. जब कछुआ पास आता दिखाई देगा तो दौड़कर मैं आगे निकल जाऊंगा। पेड़ के नीचे बैठकर थोड़ा आराम कर लूं। Let me sit under the tree and take some rest. जब कछुआ पास, we appear when the turtle come near, तो दौड़कर मैं उससे आगे निकल जाऊंगा। It means so I will run ahead of him and win the bet. यह देखकर कछुआ क्या हुआ? खूब नाराज हुआ. नाराज means you know angry. Seeing this, the turtle will be very angry. बड़ा मजा आएगा. Who thinking? The rabbit thinking कि कछुआ बहुत गुस्से में होगा और ये सब देखकर उसको बड़ा मजा आएगा. It means seeing this, the turtle will be very angry. It will be great fun. Now, third paragraph. खरगोश पेड़ की छाया में आराम करने लगा, है ना? Rabbit to rest in the shade of the tree. After that, कछुआ अब भी काफी पीछे था. The turtle was still far behind. थकान के कारण, थकान you know tiredness, थकान के कारण खरगोश को नींद आ गई. The rabbit fell asleep due tiredness, है ना? He feeling very tired. That's why he sleep. जब उसकी आंख खुली तो उसने देखा. When he opened his eyes, he saw. क्या देखा? कि कछुआ आगे चला गया है. The turtle has gone ahead. और विजय रेखा पार कर मुस्कुरा रहा है. And smiling crossed the victory line. खरगोश शर्त हार गया, है ना? You know, rabbit lost the bet. Okay. Now this story everyone know. You study small classes, I know. So this is our lesson. So this was our very easy lesson, है ना? Now next, what we learned from this lesson? हमने ये lesson से क्या सीखा है? सीख means in the moral. धैर्य means patience. और लगन से काम करने वाला विजय means victory होता है. धैर्य और लगन से काम करने वाला विजयी होता है. The one who work with patience and diligence wins. Okay, wins. Let us now see the difficult word of this lesson. Aram means rest. Aram means rest. Chaya means shadow. Neend means sleep. Vijay means victory. Shart means bet. Now you know this lesson is very easy. Okay, at least read 2-3 times. Okay children, take care. Thank you. धन्यवाद.